Pretty little black skin girl, pretty little diamond ring. Oh, Caribbean beauty, Caribbean cutie.
Hey gems, welcome back to my channel. So I decided that it's about time I film an updated video on how I do my son's hair now that he's older and his hair is getting a little longer. If you've seen any of the previous videos of me doing his hair, he's probably about 5 or 6 months, or probably even a little younger. And now that he's a year, I figured why not film an updated video. So right now I'm just loosening out the big plaits he's had in his hair all week, and his hair is really dirty, full of lint. His hair collects lint like a lint brush. I don't know why, but that's why I always keep it plait in big and not just leave it out, because the lint would cause his hair to knot up and then break off. So now that he's older, I now use my chamomile and oat baby wash and shampoo that I make myself. If you want to find out more information on why I make my own baby wash now, go check out my previous video. So now that he cannot fit in the sink, I just hold his head over the sink like this and then apply the baby wash directly to his hair, and then work it in with my hands and massage his scalp with the pads of my fingertips, not my nails. And I just work that in, make sure I get everywhere. And he really hates getting his hair washed. However, now that he's older, I have to wash it like this because during bath time, he moves way too much and he's way too big to actually sit in the sink. So I just try to keep him occupied and distract him and make the process as fun or whatever as possible. So once I work in the shampoo, I rinse it out like this. And then I just take one of his old receiving blankets and wrap it around his hair to dry out any of the excess water. And he's here just chatting away, talking to me. So yeah, I just grab one of his old receiving blankets and wrap it around his head. And this is his hair, freshly washed, no products in it. And once that's done, I sit him in his high chair, put on his show, and get to moisturizing his hair. Today I'm using Babel Botanicals and Shea Moisture Kids Detangling Leave-In Conditioners. So first I go in with the Babel Botanicals and spray it all over his hair. And then I use this mini Denman brush to detangle his hair, which comes in so handy. It makes detangling his hair so easy. It doesn't pull out his hair, and it gets out any lint that was left behind. Look how much his hair has grown. If you've seen any of the previous videos, his hair is coming a long way. So once I get his hair all detangled, I come in with this Shea Moisture leave-in conditioner and I just massage that into his hair. And this makes his hair very soft and moisturized. I usually also use the aloe vera gel that I make, but I am all out. So today I am actually styling his hair much smaller than I usually do. I never really braid or twist his hair this small, but I wanted to see how much longer it would last. So yeah. In this little roller bottle, I have Jamaican black castor oil, which works perfectly to just apply directly to his scalp, but he doesn't like how it feels rolling on his scalp. So yeah, but it gets the job done regardless. So as you can see, I am just doing some flat twists in the front, and I like to switch up between braiding and twisting his hair so that he doesn't always have braids. Even though I don't braid his hair tight at all, braids just cause more tension on your edges, so I don't like to always have his hair in braids week after week after week. I switch it up sometimes and put some flat twists or single twists. So being that he had braids previous week, this week I am doing some flat twists so that there's no tension on his scalp and on his edges. It looks like he's so well behaved, but he's just distracted watching his show. It's a show on YouTube called Akili and Me. It's the only thing that actually allows me to get his hair done. So And if you're wondering why I'm parting his hair with the brush, it just makes it easy. The brush actually gets the parts pretty straight, straighter than his baby comb. So, and I don't want to use a rat tail comb and risk like digging into his scalp or anything. So the brush is what I'll be using for now until I can't anymore. So moving on to the back, I am doing some single, you could say plaits, but it's not braided all the way down. I only start braiding it and then I finish it off twisting. So doing the back of his hair is much harder because at this point he's a little antsy, which is why I probably won't do his hair this small again, because it took too long, and after a while he just got way too antsy. Even though his show was on, he was ready to nurse, my breast was in his face, he was just not having it. But he allowed me to finish, thankfully. So that's pretty much the whole style. Some flat twists in the front, plaits in the back, and the style actually did last longer than usual. It lasted about 5 days. Yeah, so pretty much this is the end of this video. This is the finished style. Like I said, it lasted about 5 days and then I redid his hair. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Check out my Etsy shop. Check out my previous mommy related videos, and you guys will see me in my next one. Peace. Awesome. Saya, you're so handsome. You're so handsome. You're so handsome. Yeah. Blow me kiss. Go blow me kiss. Saya. Mwah. Blow me kiss, baby. Mwah. Mwah. Thank you. You're so handsome.
Bye.
Saya. Look. Bye-bye. 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 Yeah.
And you deserve it. All this is perfect, and it's the magic in everything you do. Isn't that nurse perfect?